In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 17 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your iPhone 17 and connecting it to any laptop is super simple. The only thing that you need for this is a USB cable, so you will be connecting the iPhone to the laptop by using a proper USB cable. You can connect it to a Windows or iOS laptop, it doesn't matter, so a MacBook or a standard Windows one. Like I said before, grab a USB cable. You will plug one end of the cable, usually USB-A, into the laptop and the other one goes into the iPhone. There is no secret to this. If you prefer, you can also use a USB-C to USB-C cable. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you establish a connection between the iPhone and the PC, laptop, whatever device you are using. Once you do this, you might have to approve the connection on the iPhone's screen. So if you get a pop-up asking you if you want to allow this connection to happen, tap yes, and now you can access all of the details about your iPhone by using a program like iTunes or by going over to the File Explorer. You should also see your iPhone listed here at the left, allowing you to browse through all its files. You can make a backup, you can copy them, delete them, and use iTunes to access all sorts of functionalities like the storage on your iPhone, manage the settings, check for updates, restore, backups, and so on. If it doesn't work, double check that the cable that you are using is working properly, and also make sure that you confirm the connection. You have to approve the computer being connected on the iPhone, and after that is done, then you can access all of the files. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.